Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a floor plan in AutoCAD 2021. Okay, let's start. I'm going to use a new space. Here is my new space. So guys, let's start from unit. Okay, press UN, enter. Here I'm coming to set my unit, either inches or feet or millimeter or centimeter. Okay, so I choose inches. Come to decimal tools, architecture, 1:4. Here you can choose inches, feet, millimeter, centimeter. For me, I choose inches. Okay, let's set limit. So type your keyboard limit. Okay, here you type 0,0. Enter. So I type 100 feet by 75 feet. Enter. Z, enter. A, enter. Okay, next video I will show you how to type inches and how to type feet. Okay, now let's create a layer properties. New layer. Here I type wall. Okay, type enter. So second, window. Let me change the color for window. I choose green color. Okay. Third one, door. Different color. I choose white. Okay. And fourth one, let me take dim. It's for dimension. Enter. Now let's set dimension star. Shortcut D. Enter. Go to modify. Go to symbol and arrow. I do dot. Test. So here my test of the measurement. So I choose 1 inch. I can type 12 inches. It's the same as 1 inch. Here above, change here. Press no. Go to fit. Here change to here and come to primary unit. Architectural 1:4. Okay, and I set here. Okay, enter. Head for line. External wall 9 inches. Offset 9 inches. F for fillet. Okay, offset 11 feet. Enter. External wall 6 inches. 11 feet. And external wall 9 inches. Okay, join this line. You could pay extend. Okay, TR for trim. O for offset 12 feet. 6 inches, internal wall. Here we have 15 feet. Okay, F for ferret, offset 6 inches. Okay, ferret, offset
Hello, my
7
wonderful
feet.
friends. Mr. Momon subscribe on Amon share. I'm on farm comment mra. Damasi.
Press F, enter. F for ferret. Trim this line. T alpha trim. O for offset 5 feet. Internal wall 6 inches. Again here 9 feet. Oh shit. Sorry. 9 feet. 6 inches. Here 5 feet. Internal wall 6 inches. Now here trim this line. Oh sorry. Okay. And extend this line. SE, enter, extend. Select this one. You come here, delete. ES for extend. Okay. O for offset 2 feet. F for ferret. Okay. TR for trim. O for offset 6 inches. Oh sorry. O for offset 9 inches. Here is the staircase. Okay. O for offset 2 inches. Enter. Okay. Outside and outside. Delete the middle one. E for enter. So here, trim this line. Okay. Let me check the measurement. 11 feet 6 inches. Okay. Offset 10 inches. Select. Copy. You can type shortcut CO enter for copy. Okay, delete this one, trim here. Okay, in the middle eye, extend. Okay, copy another one, CO enter for copy. Okay, trim. Pollen line. Okay, let's trim our size. Trim, trim, trim. Okay guys, now floor plan complete. Okay, let me show the measurement. Here, put here, dimension. Okay guys, next video I will show you how to add a door and a window in floor plan. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.